Hi students, Rajiv from myetutors, and today in this brand new episode I am starting a new module. The topic of the module is electrochemistry. It is a class 12th chemistry chapter and it is part of physical chemistry. Now this chapter has a high practicability, and if you know some of your friends who are senior to you and doing engineering, you can ask them that electrochemistry is the part of the curriculum of engineering first, second and third semesters. So you can understand the importance of the chapter. So let's dive into details to understand what electrochemistry for class 12th is all about. Now electrochemistry chapter is the continuation of class 11th concept, which is redox, and you can check the description box below for the link for redox. So let's see what electrochemistry is all about. Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we deal with the processes in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, or by passing electricity we can make a chemical reaction to occur, which is normally a non-spontaneous reaction under normal circumstances. Now the electrochemistry chapter is basically divided into three major parts. The first part is conduction. The first video would be the basic one, which elaborates the difference between metallic and electrolytic conduction. The second video would be measurement of conduction and various formulas that are associated in measurement of conduction. The third would be variation in conduction, which is also termed as independent migration of ions, that is Debye-Huckel equation. And the fourth video would be Cholera's law and its applications. So these are the first four videos which would be dealing with the conduction part. The second part of electrochemistry would be redox. Now the first video in the redox part would be electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. Then second video would be cell representation, and E0 cell, that is cell potential, how to calculate E0 cell. The third video would be emphasizing on Nernst equation, how to calculate the cell potential, that is EMF of cell. This is standard cell potential, and when we use Nernst equation we calculate cell potential. And the fourth video would be relationship between E cell and equilibrium. And the fifth video would be standard cell potential and equilibrium relationship using Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Then the next video would be Faraday's laws of electrolysis. The next video would be preferential electrolysis So these are the different videos that are associated with the redox part. The last part is a theoretical part, which is cells, and I would be dealing in two videos. That are, first video would be covering the cells that are primary and secondary cells, and the second video would be covering corrosion, prevention of corrosion, and how corrosion occurs. So this is all about the videos that would be associated with the electrochemistry chapter. So now you have seen the outline that I have laid for electrochemistry chapter. So now there are two options available to you. The first option would be that you have practice books, assignments and reference books. After watching these videos, you can do practice of numericals or concepts and increase your confidence level. The second option would be that you can register yourself on the website. The link of the website is on the right corner of your screen. Now you would ask, what is benefit of registering? The benefit of registering is, if after watching these videos and studying from the books that you have or the printed material that you have, if some doubts precipitate out, then you can contact me through the chemistry blog on the website, and I would be helping you in eliminating those doubts. So what would be easier and benefit for you? It's your takeaway. If you think that the videos that you are watching has helped you in improving your chemistry or improving your concepts in chemistry, then give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. By hitting the bell icon, YouTube will send you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. After watching the video, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Follow us on social media, and thanks for watching the video.